How do I properly use a respirator for spray painting? Have you ever wondered how to stay safe while spray painting? Using a respirator is key to protecting your lungs from harmful chemicals. Let's break down how to properly use a respirator for spray painting and why it matters, especially in high-risk jobs. First, it is essential to understand that spray painting can release volatile organic compounds, solvents, and other harmful substances into the air. If inhaled, these can cause serious health issues. A respirator helps filter out these dangerous particles, making it a vital tool for anyone involved in spray painting. The first step is to choose the right respirator. Cartridge or filter respirators are commonly used for spray painting tasks. These respirators have replaceable cartridges that filter out chemical vapors and particles. If you are working with solvent-based paints that have high levels of volatile organic compounds, opt for air-purifying respirators with cartridges specifically designed for organic vapors. For water-based paints or lower chemical exposure, a filtering facepiece respirator may be sufficient. In situations with high exposure or confined spaces, consider using supplied air respirators that provide clean air from an external source. Next, fitting the respirator correctly is crucial. You need to perform a fit test to ensure it seals tightly against your face. A poor fit can allow hazardous fumes to leak in. Facial hair or an improper size can compromise the seal, so make sure to adjust the straps and nose clips for a snug fit. When you begin spray painting, it is important to wear the respirator consistently. This means keeping it on whenever you are in the spray area or downwind of paint fumes. Even short breaks without the respirator can expose you to toxic vapors, so keep it on at all times during the task. Maintaining and replacing cartridges or filters is another key step. Change the cartridges regularly according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If you notice any odors or have difficulty breathing, replace them immediately. Always avoid using damaged or expired cartridges. After each use, clean reusable respirators to remove any paint residue. Combining the use of a respirator with other safety measures is also important. Always spray paint in well-ventilated areas or use ventilated spray booths when possible. Wearing protective clothing, such as coveralls and gloves, can help prevent skin contact with harmful substances. It is also wise to consult the paint's material safety data sheet for specific respirator recommendations. In high-risk professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing, the challenges can be even greater. For example, a storm chaser repairing equipment with spray paint must ensure a secure respirator fit despite movement and weather conditions. Similarly, logging workers marking trees in dusty or humid environments need respirators that filter both chemical vapors and particulates effectively. Deep-sea fishermen performing maintenance in confined spaces must consider supplied air respirators to avoid toxic buildup. Understanding how to properly use a respirator for spray painting is essential for preventing long-term respiratory illnesses and acute poisoning from paint fumes. By selecting the correct type, ensuring a proper fit, wearing it consistently, maintaining it well, and combining it with other safety practices, you can ensure your safety while handling hazardous materials in any profession.